The survival skills-based reality show Into the Wild with Bear Grylls is back this year with another celebrity, Bollywood actor Ajay Devgan. The show last year featured personalities like superstar Rajnikant and Akshay Kumar. Now, Ajay Devgan can be seen experiencing an adventurous journey in the Indian Ocean, dominated by sharks and facing unfavorable weather conditions, eventually moving towards uninhabited islands around the Indian Ocean. Ajay Devgan opens up on his shooting experience of this real-life adventure to survive in the most desolate islands of the Indian Ocean. Ajay Devgan said, "This is my first ever expedition into the wild and I can tell you, it wasn't child's play. My father was an action director and in my career span of 30 years in the Indian industry, I have had the fortune to play several roles including some dangerous action ones too. And this was one of those times when I had to put those learnings to the test again. I am so glad this opportunity came my way. It helped me explore and go beyond my comfort zone. A special salute to Bear, who has been inspiring millions to explore and develop a much-needed relationship with nature, and of course for keeping me safe in the wild. From hungry jungles to the depths of the ocean, Bear knows it all." The first look of this show was revealed on Tuesday, in which the adventure specialist Bear Grylls, who has hosted multiple distinguished personalities, is seen engaging in a candid conversation with Ajay on his family, career and life in the new season. Bear Grylls has become known as one of the most recognized faces of survival and outdoor adventure. His journey to this acclaim started on a small island off the UK coast, where his late father taught him to climb and sail. Trained from a young age in martial arts, Grylls spent 3 years as a soldier in the British Special Forces as part of the 21st SAS Regiment. He says on his association with Ajay Devgan for the show and his journey with him. To get to take the legendary Ajay into the wild and have an adventure with him was a privilege. Desert islands are always tough to survive on, and Ajay showed total commitment to do what we needed to get out in one piece. He was also incredibly honest, sharing so many insights into his life and career, and I value that honestly so much. One thing that I have learned about Ajay is he's a quietly spoken man, but he's a man with great love and strength in his heart. Into the Wild will be available in 7 languages including English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bangla, Malayalam and Kannada. The episode will premiere on Discovery Plus India and Philippines on October 22nd. The broadcast premiere of the show is scheduled at 8 p.m. on October 25 on Discovery Channel and others.